F1 Braford here in South Texas. There's about 50 more of them coming out of the brush now. These old boys use triple sun Brangus bulls. Have no problems calving, and obviously triple sun bulls. You plug there, Paul, Jacob. They live, again, we use on heifers, grown cows, they do just fine. The bulls are tougher than hell, so. Guess the bull's been on these girls 2 months now. Woo! They like deer corn. There's about 50 of them in this pasture. It's just, maybe 30 of them walked up here. Yeah, 25, 30's walked up, so. There's another group somewhere, but they're all the same cattle. There's 2 of these Triple Sun Farms bulls out here. Good bull, right? You love the calves they produce out of this mating. I like an F1 Brangus back on Braford cattle. Calves get black balled, the feeder calves love the steers, and the heifers. We'll make some great set of heifers out of that bull and these heifers. Low maintenance grass raised cattle in the brush country, South Texas.